It's like, oh yeah, there's like.
Alrighty.
Yeah, dude. Tow haul mode, baby.
Okay.
It is Saturday, no, not Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve.
Nice.
We traveled all the way to the east side of the state, and Geno's got a new rig. All right, Geno. What you got here, bud?
Oh, we got old 20-foot Nautic Star with a 150 Merc 2-stroker on the back. We're gonna take her home, take her on Lake Michigan. Ooh, December 31st, baby. Yeah.
Coming in with the new year with the new boat.
I'm gonna slap that ass like I slapped your mama.
Not a bad looking unit there, bud.
And I gotta get. Dad doesn't use the Snapchat, so I gotta get a text picture.
You gotta get the text picture for Dad.
Freaking unit. Yeah. Look at this shit.
And you're gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna have a lot of fun this summer with it.
Few moments later.
Well, we got stopped by someone with traffic. The trail guy is smoking. Oh boy, look. Oh, dude, it's smoking good. Woo, she is hot. Well, we're off to a good start on the way home. Freaking. Well, we're off to a good start.
Let's stand up here.
So, Geno and Dylan are gonna go and try to find a bearing. Nick and I are gonna stay and guard the boat.
Good way to start out loading a boat.
Yeah. She was smoking pretty good. We tried to make it down the highway until the wheels started wobbling, wobbling all around. So
Boat lives up to her name. Break out another 1,000.
yeah, we're stuck in the middle of nowhere right now. You know, searching through all this trash on the side of the road. Maybe make some money in for scrap for a wheel bearing part for Geno. What is that? Did he seriously take the headrest out from his truck to chock his wheel? That's the center headrest of the back seat. Oh my. Nautic Star. What do you call it? The naughty star? He's gonna call it. It's being a naughty boat with this wheel bearing.
Thing is so sick.
Thing looks so sick on the side of the road, you know. Nick's out here looking through all the trash. We already found 10 cents for the trailer fund right there. Ooh, what we got over here?
That's cardboard, I guess.
Oh, it is cardboard. Someone bust a roof shingle. Where the hell is a house around here? Way over there in that farm? What the heck?
Brand new.
What?
Need some bushings, plastic 0mm bushings. Hit us up for sale. Oh boy.
A gallon bucket? Ooh,
We got something good.
that's a piece of...
Jeep tire cover.
No way!
Yeah. You want it? For sale.
For sale.
Anywhere you need a tire cover.
We know what we got.
Yep.
Located on mile 124 at technically West 69. Still searching. We're bored.
We got a bottle.
We got a bottle, old Coke bottle. Help me!
Many unbearable hours later.
Well, it's about freaking time. Holy, an hour and a half later.
Nah, 4 different ones.
We just got this 4 wrench and Nick is tightening the lugs down
That might be
and literally
close enough.
snapped it.
All right. Geno, let's not do 85/60 on my Leave Joe over there on that side.
Ooh. Shooting fish. Dude, you literally found a whole monster laying in your
Hey,
woods.
since you've already got a shotgun it. Yeah. Get a shotgun it, dude.
I ain't gotta shoot it.
Shotgun it. Put a hole in it.
Shotgun it.
Andrew, where are we today?
Geno's.
We're at Geno's. We up north.
Walking my bike.
Yeah, the stock tire's stuck on these. A little steep. Losing momentum.
That hill really messes you up.
Yeah, a little bump there. So Geno, the day after he bought his boat, went to Cabela's and ordered this new trolling motor for his boat. What do you think, bud? You excited?
Yeah, dude, we're getting some freaking serious fishing with this bitch. Autopilot, spot lock, fully on its own. We set our course and just kick back, crack that 30 rack down, you know what I'm saying?
It's your boy J-Rock from Sunnyvale Trailer Park, you know what I'm saying?
We're literally in a freaking swamp. You dumped her?
I went down.
Is it stuck in gear?
Chain popped off.
The chain pop! Holy crap, dude! It did!
Chain popped off?
Yeah! I was like, what's that noise? The chain popped off.
Gotta make it to the hill.
We gotta go to the hill. Geno's gotta make it through the swamp first. We got his chain back on us. That chain's so loose, we just rolled it back onto the sprocket. We could go back to the house and tighten it up. We're just wanna have fun.
I thought I was in gear the whole time, trying to get out of the swamp. No, I was in neutral, just river.
Oh, he's going on. You lost it. You lost it. First gear. I think that is first. That's gotta be first. That thing's so gutless. Is it in first? Now it is. He just can't pick it up. He's backing down. Yes!
Oh, it counts.
Yes! That's a pretty steep hill.
Yo, you stopped all the way up there?
Look, that's where his front tire stopped.
We're good.
Need your front brake.
This is literally Geno's rental house. We're trashing it.
We peppered everything with blood.